Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Apple ID. Prevent unauthorized access step by step clearly. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name at the top to enter Apple ID settings. Go to Password and Security and review the security options. Tap Change Password and create a long, unique password you have never used anywhere else. Avoid using your name, birthday, or simple patterns in the new password. Turn on two-factor authentication if it is not already enabled. Confirm your trusted phone number so Apple can send verification codes. Add a second trusted phone number if you have one for backup. Check the list of trusted devices and remove any device you do not recognize. Tap Devices. Select an unfamiliar device and choose Remove from Account. Go back and tap Sign in and Security to review where your Apple ID is used. Review the apps using Apple ID section and stop using Apple ID for apps you do not trust. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security and make sure Location Services is set the way you want. Go to iCloud and confirm which data types are syncing to your account. Enable iCloud Keychain if you want strong, unique passwords saved securely across devices. Open Messages settings and make sure iMessage is only active on your trusted numbers and emails. Open FaceTime settings and make sure FaceTime is only active on your trusted numbers and emails. In Settings, search for Mail and verify your Apple ID email is correct and secure. On a computer, visit Apple.com and sign into your Apple ID. Check account security and confirm two-factor authentication is enabled there too. Review personal information and make sure your name, email, and phone numbers are accurate. Look at devices on the website and remove anything you do not own. Check the trusted phone numbers again and update them if you change your number. Review the payment methods and remove any card you do not recognize. Turn on Find My iPhone in Settings so you can lock or erase a lost device. Set a strong device passcode and enable Face ID or Touch ID for extra protection. Avoid signing into your Apple ID on public or shared devices, and never share verification codes. If you suspect compromise, change your password again and sign out of all devices from Apple.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.